Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of heartfelt gifts with the iJuqi Stepmom Bracelet.
This bracelet isn't just an accessory. It's a token of appreciation, a symbol of gratitude, and a cherished keepsake for any stepmother. Let's delve into why this bracelet stands out as one of the best mom gifts available in the market.
First, let's talk materials. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this bracelet boasts longevity and resilience. Its lobster claw clasp ensures secure fastening, while the bead chain adds an elegant touch. Now, onto the heart of the matter. What sets this bracelet apart are the sentiments it carries. Engraved with the words, "Thank you for loving me as your own," it speaks volumes.
Whether it's for Mother's Day, a birthday, or just a spontaneous gesture of appreciation, this bracelet delivers a powerful message.
And let's not overlook the presentation.
Each bracelet comes nestled in a luxurious velvet pouch, enhancing its gift-worthy allure. It's not just a piece of jewelry, it's a carefully curated package of love and gratitude.
Now, for the bottom line. Priced at $8.98, this bracelet offers incredible value for the sentiments it conveys. Plus, with Amazon's choice endorsement and over 200 purchases in the past month, it's clear that many have found solace and joy in gifting this heartfelt token. In summary, the iJuqi Stepmom Bracelet is more than just an accessory. It's a symbol of appreciation, love, and familial bonds. With its durable build, heartfelt engraving, and elegant presentation, it's no wonder why it's considered one of the best mom gifts available. Until next time, this has been Product Critique. Stay tuned for more insightful reviews.